Unlocking the Complexity of the Mind, a comprehensive statistical exploration of network neuroscience and brain connectivity. By Tehmina Ajiji. Network neuroscience is an interdisciplinary field that combines concepts and methods from neuroscience, network science, and complex systems theory to study the organization and function of the brain as a complex network. It focuses on understanding how the brain's structural and functional connectivity patterns give rise to various cognitive processes and behaviors. In network neuroscience, the brain is represented as a network where individual brain regions or nodes are connected by edges representing structural or functional connections between them. These connections can be studied using various imaging techniques such as diffusion tensor imaging (DTI) for structural connectivity and functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) for functional connectivity. Researchers in network neuroscience analyze brain networks at different levels of organization, from microscopic to macroscopic scales, and use network science tools to study their topology, dynamics, and information processing properties. By investigating the brain as a complex network, network neuroscience aims to uncover fundamental principles underlying brain function and dysfunction, with potential implications for understanding neurological and psychiatric disorders, as well as for developing new therapeutic interventions. One key aspect of network neuroscience is its focus on identifying network-level principles that govern the brain's organization and function. By studying the brain as a complex network, researchers can uncover principles of network architecture, such as small-worldness, modularity, and hierarchical organization, which are thought to play crucial roles in information processing and integration in the brain. Understanding these principles not only sheds light on normal brain function but also provides insights into how disruptions in these networks may contribute to neurological and psychiatric disorders. Another important area of research within network neuroscience is the investigation of dynamic interactions within brain networks. The brain is not a static entity, but rather a dynamic system that continuously undergoes changes in its activity and connectivity patterns. Network neuroscience seeks to understand the dynamic nature of brain networks, including how network topology evolves over time, how information is transmitted and integrated across the network, and how the brain adapts to different cognitive demands and environmental stimuli. Moreover, network neuroscience has practical applications in fields such as neuroimaging analysis, brain-computer interfaces, and personalized medicine. For example, researchers use network-based approaches to develop novel algorithms for analyzing neuroimaging data, which can improve the accuracy of brain mapping and biomarker discovery. Additionally, network neuroscience provides insights into individual differences in brain connectivity patterns, which can be leveraged to develop personalized interventions for neurological and psychiatric disorders. Network neuroscience offers a powerful framework for understanding the complex interplay between brain structure, function, and behavior. Network neuroscience integrates neuroscience, network science, and complex systems theory to study how the brain's connectivity shapes cognition and behavior. By analyzing brain networks, researchers uncover principles of brain organization and function, advancing our understanding of neurological and psychiatric disorders. This interdisciplinary approach also enhances neuroimaging analysis and facilitates the development of personalized interventions. In sum, network neuroscience provides valuable insights into the intricate relationship between brain structure, function, and behavior. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.